Okay, so thank you sa Race Power. Lalo na sa Race Power team kasi mag-enjoy tayo ngayon sa Thailand. So since Race Power Thailand nga yung brand natin, syempre dapat ma-enjoy natin kung ano yung kagandahan ng Thailand. Let's go!
Get ready for it! Get ready for it! Get ready for it!
Race Power Thailand!
Yun, nandito na tayo sa factory ng Race Power. Ayan, nakalapag na lahat. So nakakain na. So ito na yung pinaka-cream of the crop ngayong araw. Yun, nandun sila.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
Hey, what's up guys? So ayan, it's our day 3 na and nandito kami ngayon sa Floating Market ng Thailand. Tara!
Floating Markets, let's go! Race Power in Taiwan!
Ice cream, yummy.